Marta, you've assembled your whole team here in Barcelona. What made this a good idea for you right now? I mean, what's going on that made this an imperative for you right now?
Okay, so I think we've done already this workshop before, and the outcome was great. So I presented that internally within the company, and they asked to do it again for ERP Cloud. So the excellent thing is that we have all the teams together, SAP and Seidor, and we align messages, we get the compromise for both, and I think the feedback they provided, you've heard, it's very positive, and I hope the results will be as well. Yeah.
The cost of having 12 people in a room for 2 days was considerable. Was it worthwhile to invest so much time?
Yes, definitely it's worthwhile. I think we've learned a lot on how to prepare to set up the objective, strategy, a plan, and execute. Now it's very clear for all. So after the meeting, everybody left with clear messages on what are the next steps. And I think that's very important to execute well and to get success. So I think it's worthwhile the investment we've done.
How do you feel about the decisions that you and the other senior leaders in the room made during the workshop?
I mean, I think this is the nice thing of the workshop. So it's very interactive. So you don't expect to be there just listening and learning from another person. You learn as you progress on the workshop. And I think that's very important because you also as a facilitator is giving the time to everybody to talk, to express their opinions, and the opinions of everybody are very useful. And at the end, I think the results are much better because it has been provided by the whole team.
How well do you feel your colleagues in the room bought into those decisions?
I think they were enthusiastic. They all want, I mean, they all were telling, we miss more people, why this other person didn't come, why the other said, oh, it's not possible. I mean, we should be, and we should keep it at a small group, and then to transfer all this information to the rest of the organization. And I think they left with this idea. So I think they were great, and the opinion will be very positive internally in both organizations.
You had multiple stakeholders in the room, but what about those who weren't in the room? How do you plan on getting them on board with the new plan?
Okay, so for us, I mean, in the meeting, there were, as you mentioned before, not only 2 organizations, but 2 different departments within each organization. So sales, marketing, product consultancy or delivery. So many people involved. And now the next steps for us is to explain internally a new way to do demand generation. So we have to put all the tools, all the resources, and all our compromise to make it happen. And then the first thing, with the outcome from this workshop, so the presentation we will receive from you, and the project plan we are going to present it internally, so everybody has the information and can support us with the different plans we put in place.
How well do you feel you'll be able to execute on the plan over the next, say, 6 months?
The success of the workshop depends on the right execution. There are many things, many plans, many tactics that are new for us, but this is the good thing from the workshop, because we are going to experience how to sell in a different way. We have as well the support from SAP, and I think both SAP and Seidor can take advantage of this, and joining forces and joining our knowledge, Seidor more from the consultancy point of view, SAP from the product point of view, I am sure we can enrich these plans to execute correctly.
What would you say to another SAP partner considering making an investment into really precious time of their most senior leaders?
I would tell them that they have to try it. If they do it once, they will repeat as we did it. I think the money you invest is worthwhile because you will get a lot in return. You will also not only from the market, so you will get more customers, but also you will have more enthusiastic employees and willing to be at the latest situation on marketing, online marketing, and how to help the customers in a better way.
Marta, it's been a pleasure to work with you and your team again these 2 days.
Thank you very much to you. Thank you.